The AI adoption has grown by over 200% in the last 5 years. And behind every groundbreaking AI project are powerful Python libraries. In this video, I will introduce you to the tools redefining AI in 2025 and show you how they can supercharge your projects. Let's dive right in. First up is scikit-learn. Whether it's classification, regression, or clustering, scikit-learn is your go-to library for clean and simple implementations. If performance on tabular data is critical, XGBoost and LightGBM are exceptional. These libraries are widely used in data science competitions and provide optimized implementations for gradient boosting. Now, for deep learning, it's a battle between TensorFlow and PyTorch. TensorFlow offers scalability and production-ready features, while PyTorch is favored for its flexibility and research-focused approach. Both TensorFlow and PyTorch are used for similar type of applications. The question is, which one to choose? PyTorch is generally preferred for research and prototyping due to its ease of use and dynamic nature. For natural language processing, Hugging Face Transformers is leading the charge. Their Transformers library powers tasks like text generation, sentiment analysis, and summarization. It's open source and super easy to use. With just a few lines of Python, you can integrate cutting-edge NLP models into your projects, from chatbots to content creation. Explore thousands of pre-trained models for free. It's fast, easy, and perfect for any NLP enthusiast. And for large-scale NLP tasks, don't miss out on spaCy. It's super fast and reliable for production-grade NLP pipelines. Moving on to computer vision, OpenCV is the gold standard for image processing. OpenCV is an open-source library that powers countless computer vision applications. From object detection and facial recognition to image processing, it's a must-have tool for any AI enthusiast. With OpenCV, you can process images and videos effortlessly using just a few lines of code. It's versatile and works seamlessly with Python. Whether you're building AR apps or enhancing security systems, OpenCV has you covered. For deep learning-powered vision tasks, FastAI is another excellent choice, simplifying model training with pre-built components. You might wonder why I chose these libraries. They excel in performance, are easy to use, and have vibrant community support. Plus, they are backed by comprehensive documentation, so you'll never feel stuck. If you're just starting out, check out the documentation for each library. Whether you're working on machine learning, deep learning, NLP, or computer vision, these libraries have got you covered. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech content. See you next time.